In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a local copy in Figma and select a figure. We're keeping things simple and focused so you can follow along with confidence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the Figma menu, how to create a local copy of your design for safekeeping or offline work, and how to click and select the figure you want to work with on your canvas. Let's start with the Figma menu. Look to the top left corner of your Figma window. You'll see the Figma icon. This is the entry point to key file actions. Click that icon. Doing this opens a drop-down menu that contains commands related to your current file, including options for saving, sharing, and file management. It's the same place you'd visit whenever you need to manage versions or handle exports, so it's a good habit to remember where it lives. Next, choose Save Local Copy. This option tells Figma to create a copy of your current file on your device, separate from the cloud version. Saving a local copy is helpful when you want a snapshot you can archive, a backup before making big changes, or something you can use when you're working without a stable internet connection. In many setups, this produces a .fig file that preserves your layers, components, and settings as they are at the moment of saving. Think of it like freezing the state of your design so you can revisit it or share it deliberately later without affecting the original cloud file. If your environment presents any prompts, that's simply Figma confirming how and where that copy should be placed on your machine. Finally, click the figure on your canvas. This selects the figure so you can focus on it. In Figma, a figure might be a shape, an icon, a group, or even a component instance, anything visually represented on the canvas. When you click it, you should see selection handles and outlines along with its properties in the right-hand sidebar. That visual feedback confirms you're targeting the correct element. If your figure overlaps with others, be deliberate with your click to select the topmost object you intend to work on. Selection is your way of telling Figma, this is the item I care about right now, which prepares you for any edits, inspections, or measurements you may want to perform afterward. And that's it. You click the Figma icon to reach the core file controls, you use Save Local Copy to preserve your work locally, and you click the figure to select it on the canvas. These small, precise actions keep your workflow organized, safe,